Awkward running man.
Awkward retarded jellyfish.
Oh, that was your dad, awkward.
I'm singing in the rain.
You're lip syncing in the rain?
Oh my gosh, I could do rain angels.
Retarded rain angels. Hannah?
Yes.
I say no.
Last time I sang in the rain.
Nah, come on.
Come on. I think you had something in the air. Hold me. Here.
Is that recording?
Shake my butt, yeah. Don't touch it.
I am the master!
Yeah. Do the awkward skateboard, yeah. Do the awkward skateboard. Oh no, this is the awkward skateboard. Come here. Awkward skateboard, yeah. Do the awkward Hannah. Oh, lunch is so fun.
Guys,
I wish it was raining harder. I feel like I'm going to get Bear Grylls. I'm going to go find me a snake.
Whoa!
My feet are all grassy and wet.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I have to show you the funniest thing ever.
Bud just staring at us like, what the heck? Look. Look at
Lorna, when we go inside, I have to show you the funniest thing
right
ever.
there. Hey, what's up, girl? Boy, whatever your name is.
When we go inside, I have to show you the funniest thing.
I have a glove!
Are we listening to me?
Oh, look, I have one glove like Michael Jackson.
But can I say
But it's a
something,
leather
please?
glove, so don't do anything to
Can I
it.
please say something? There's this really funny thing on YouTube, and it's...
No, that's leather. That's leather. Oh, Hannah. That's leather. Ew. That's leather. What? It's a leather glove. And? Don't bring it out from the rain.
But can I say something, please?
Obviously, it's not cared much for if it's out here like that. Oh, no. Without its mate. There wasn't big babies with Lorna. Lorna. Ow. I just tripped on a
Lorna!
You're standing right in front of the camera with your butt. Hannah!
Lorna, there's this really funny thing on YouTube, and it's a guy, and he's totally serious, and he's like, I'm a snake. I'm a literally snake. Talk about snakes and riding scooters across the
And
camera.
Okay, do not be riding the scooter across the porch.
Okay.
And we're videotaping. You know.
She
got told. I ain't even mad. I ain't even mad. Now this is the real Running Man, y'all. Oh wait, Cat, what are you doing? This is why I don't like flip-flops. And take off of it. It would hurt to do it on the concrete. Oh, let's go. Oh, what now? What? And moving this. Lorna, I was doing this like. I'm doing my work, That's right. Mac. Super Mac! Hey, guess what? Ow! Sorry, I'm missing the butt. Hi, Mom. Bye, Mom. I love my mom. Olivia's gonna get Alex recording Corey's. Did you hear me? Yeah! Coming after Chris's recording. I'm asking her for Chris's.
I'm gonna ask her for Corey's to Jennifer Lynn.
I'm gonna ask him, you know, just get any person, even if it's the cleaning staff.
Our cleaning staff is
Can we
famous.
watch it now?
I like cleaning staff.
Go.
At least it's for, well, only for Glee people, because Glee's just freaking amazing.
It's what amazing?
I said it's freaking amazing.
Yeah, you might fall off
Don't
there.
do that. Don't, no, blah, 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 blah. Prohibit-da-do!
Fired up. F you!
How do you spell fired up?
F you!
Not quite.
F-R-I-E-D-U-P.
Space.
Whatever! She's having a baby.
The fountain of,
In and out.
the fountain,
Deep breaths.
the fountain of Troy. The fountain of Troy is prohibit-da-do!
Oh my god, what if there's somebody in that window over there? Ah, that would be really weird. Move your big head! No, not that way. No, no! Ew, Hannah!
Shoes.
Nice aim.
I wasn't trying to hit you.
Oh, really? Right. Don't! She might fall in the bush again!
Don't do it at my mom's flowers.
She might fall in the bush again. Just kidding.
That's right. That's where I fell. It's kind of dented now.
Well, signing off.
Swag.